And this morning, let's also get you all the highlights from the Emmy Awards that were held in New York. Here's a look at all the big winners of the night. Now, David Tennant won Best Actor for his role in this. Besides that, let's also tell you about all the others who won big this time around. India Today is getting you exclusive details from Ground Zero, from New York. We're getting you ground reports as well, as we were there at the red carpet. The 49th International Emmy Awards honors excellence in television programming produced outside the United States, and it was held in New York City. The big winners of the night included Tehran, a series from Israel, which was awarded the Best Drama Series. The thriller television series follows Amar Rabinian, played by Niv Sultan, a young Jewish woman who was born in Iran but raised in Israel. Amar is a Mossad agent and computer hacker on an undercover mission in the Iranian capital to disable a nuclear reactor. Season 4 of French comedy Call My Agent won Best Comedy. David Tennant won Best Actor for this. British three-part television drama mini-series based on the 1983 arrest of Scottish serial killer Dennis Nilsen. Hayley Squires won the Best Actress Award for Adult Material. India had a strong presence at the awards. You had Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Veer Das, Sushmita Sen, Tara Arya bagging nominations. Unfortunately, they lost in their respective categories.
Hi, so the International Emmy Awards, as far as our Indian contingent is concerned, they've lost at the moment. Arya has lost, so Ram Madhani's Arya has lost to Tehran. Veer Das has lost to Call My Agent, and Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who was nominated for the Best Actor category for his role in Serious Men, has lost to David Tennant. They're all inside at the moment as we speak. Still, the award ceremony is going on right now. But it's a bit of a setback coming in for India. But I must also say that all of them, all our Indian nominees, the entire Indian contingent, before going in, did make a mention about the fact that it is enough for them to just get nominated at this international stage, and it is the OTT platforms today that are giving them this kind of a pedestal, and hence they are here today, and that's enough, and it's only just the start as far as they are concerned. All in all, net setback coming in for the Indian contingent. This is Jayati Narula reporting live from Manhattan in New York from International Emmy 2020.